my name is Karina Wong. I'm here with Mayfield Toyota. I'm here to show you a 2016 Tundra double cab in the TRD off-road package. This is the Alpine White. So coming over to the front here, you have your chrome grille, headlights. You also have LED daytime running lights. Fog lights are on the bottom there. Your TRD Sport alloy wheels with the Michelin tires, 18 inches. This is the 5.7 liter V8. Black mirrors, black door handles. There's your TRD badging. Coming around to the back, you have backup sensors. You have it on that point as well as that point. Comes with your 7-pin and 4-pin. And there's your hitch. Does come with a backup camera on the tailgate as well as a locking tailgate. To bring it down, it is a 6-foot box. Coming over to the second row, you get quite a few things. You get the rubber mats, carpet mats. These are your cleats that can go into your box. It also comes with your hitch there. As you can see, the bottom of the seats are folded up. It's your headrests. And then to fold it down is just this bar right here, and it comes completely flat. Definitely gives you more room to store your items. Power sources right there, as well as cup holders. Coming over to the driver's seat, you have power windows, power locks. You have your 8-way driver's seat, forward and back, up and down, reclining, and your lumbar support. Jumping into the driver's seat, you have your power mirrors. This is how bright you would like your dash. This is to slide over the rear window. On your steering wheel, over on this side, you have your volume control. This is to go through your modes, so AM, FM, satellite radio, Bluetooth, and all that. This here is to control your stereo. Over here is your Bluetooth with your voice recognition. This display button controls the info cluster right in the middle there. Elapsed time, average speed, all that stuff. Coming over here, you have your touch screen. There's your audio, your home screen. Very nice. This one, the TRD comes with a Bon Jovi acoustic system. Over here as well, you have your parking sensors to increase the range, your traction control, your towing haul button there, and your trailer brake control. Air modes are over here, and your 4x4. Down here you have your heated seats. Right and left is up here. USB and auxiliary is right there. Here's your console. Really nice and spacious. You have your lights here on either side. Sunglasses. Auto dimming rearview mirror with your compass, and you also have your garage door openers as well. So again, here is the 2016 Toyota Tundra, the TRD double cab off-road package. I look forward to seeing you here at Mayfield Toyota.